Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a thrilling countdown of the best-selling transmission and drivetrain products available on Amazon. These top-rated products are not just popular, but are also trusted by customers for their quality and performance. So without further ado, let's go. Number 5, TRQ Front Left CV Axle Shaft Assembly. Now, if you're driving a 2012 to 2021 Dodge Durango or a 2011 to 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, listen up. This CV axle shaft assembly from TRQ is an absolute game changer. Imagine driving with a part that fits like a glove, performing just like the original equipment. Yes, it's a direct fit, OE replacement that delivers seamless compatibility. But don't just take my word for it. The aftermarket reference numbers 4578885AC 663759 say it all. This isn't just a part, it's peace of mind on the road. It's specifically designed to fit your vehicle, ensuring you get the perfect match every time. Have you checked the fitment information in the listing yet? Trust me, you'll want to make sure. When precision meets performance, you get TRQ. Why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Number 4, TRQ, new complete front CV axle shaft assembly pair set. Alright, let's get right into it. If you own a Sienna FWD3 5L, you're going to want to pay close attention. This isn't just any axle shaft assembly, it's a complete front CV axle shaft assembly pair from TRQ, designed for precision and performance. Imagine driving with the confidence that comes from knowing your vehicle has the exact fit and quality of an OE replacement. That's what you get with this set, a direct fit that's as good as the original. What makes this even more impressive is its vehicle-specific design. It's crafted to fit your Sienna perfectly so you can say goodbye to any compatibility worries. Just make sure to check the fitment information in the listing to confirm it's the perfect match for your ride. And let's not forget the reference numbers, both OE and aftermarket, 4341008070, 4342008040, 4342008050, 4342008090, 665397, 665407. These aren't just numbers, they're a testament to its precision engineering and reliability. Drive with peace of mind. Choose TRQ for unmatched quality and performance. Number 3, Castrol Transmax High Mileage Automatic Transmission Fluid. Imagine driving a car with over 75,000 miles and feeling like it's fresh off the lot. That's the magic of Castrol Transmax High Mileage Automatic Transmission Fluid. Engineered to tackle those common issues older transmissions face, leaks, rough shifts, you name it, this fluid goes beyond the basics. Why settle for average when you can have superior? With greater frictional durability, it ensures your transmission performs at its peak. Those pesky leaks? Consider them a thing of the past, thanks to its additional seal conditioners. And let's talk about cleanliness. Extra cleaning agents reduce varnish and sludge formation, keeping your transmission running smooth and clean. Worried about clutch wear? Castrol Transmax has you covered, protecting against wear and restoring that smooth shifting experience. It meets or exceeds General Motors Dexron 3 and Ford Mercon requirements. Plus, it exceeds all passenger car and light truck manufacturers' warranty requirements for vehicles, transmissions or power steering services, where a Dexron 3 or Mercon type ATF is specified. Drive with confidence and let Castrol Transmax keep your high-mileage vehicle running like new. It's not just transmission fluid, it's peace of mind in a bottle. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling transmission and drivetrain products on Amazon? Well, shift into high gear and subscribe and press the bell icon so your vehicle never misses out on top-notch maintenance tips. Number 2, Lubegard 19610 Instant Shudder Fix. Are you tired of that annoying shudder from your torque converter? Say goodbye to it instantly with Lubegard 19610 Instant Shudder Fix. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a game changer for your transmission. Picture this, your transmission running smoother than ever, with 4 times less wear than you'd get from regular ATF. That's right, this little bottle packs a punch. It's the original transmission shudder fix, trusted and voted as the top product by transmission professionals everywhere. Why put up with shuddering when you can eliminate it instantly? Lubegard 19610 ensures your ride is smooth, giving you peace of mind and superior performance. It's not just about fixing the problem, it's about enhancing the life of your transmission. Experience the instant lasting effects of Lubegard 19610 and drive with confidence, knowing your transmission is in the best hands. Number 1. Valvoline Multi-Vehicle Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. We've reached the pinnacle of our countdown. At number 1 we have Valvoline Multi-Vehicle ATF Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission Fluid. This is not just a product, it's a revolution in transmission care. Why is this fluid the best? For starters, it's designed for use in 95% of ATF vehicles, including most CVTs operating in US-registered light-duty applications. That's almost universal compatibility, making it a go-to choice for a wide range of vehicles. Let's talk about performance. High-performance conditioning agents prolong seal elasticity, preventing those pesky leaks. Imagine driving with the confidence that your transmission is protected against wear and tear. Valvoline's anti-wear technology not only improves durability, but also extends the life of your transmission, helping you avoid costly repairs. But it doesn't stop there. Enhanced high and low temperature performance means your transmission fluid will perform in all weather conditions, giving you peace of mind whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold. And with its full synthetic formula, this fluid offers superior protection against engine breakdown compared to conventional fluids. Valvoline Multi-Vehicle ATF, Full Synthetic Automatic Transmission. Fluid stands at the top for a reason. It's the ultimate choice for anyone seeking reliability, performance and protection for their transmission. Drive with confidence, drive with Valvoline. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling transmission and drivetrain products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.